Welcome to Kuala Lumpur International Airport. Landing is the easy part. Now let's get you to your destination with Grab. First, open your Grab app. Enter your destination and select KLIA as your pickup point. Make sure to specify your terminal, KLIA 1 or KLIA 2. Follow the signs to the Level 1 pickup zone. This is where your Grab driver will meet you. Choose door 3 or 4 for a quick meetup. Confirm your driver's details, hop in, and you're on your way. Enjoy your stay in Malaysia and safe travels.
Welcome to the English Malay School podcast, your place to learn Malay naturally, improve your Malay listening practice, and speak with confidence in real Malaysian situations. Today, you will learn how to take a Grab or taxi in Malaysia. Relax, breathe slowly, listen carefully. Let's begin. Section 1. Calling the driver. When the driver arrives, you can confirm politely. Abang Grab ke? Abang. Grab. Ke. Are you the Grab driver? Nama saya Daniel. Nama saya Daniel. My name is Daniel. Ini kereta untuk saya ke? Ini kereta untuk saya ke. Is this the car for me? Simple, calm, natural. Section 2. Confirming the destination. Before the car moves, always confirm the destination. Kita pergi ke KLCC ya? Kita pergi ke KLCC. Yeah? We're going to KLCC, right? Alamat ini betul tak? Alamat ini betul tak? Is this address correct? Berapa lama sampai? Berapa lama sampai? Berapa lama sampai? How long will it take to arrive? Speak clearly, slowly. Section 3. Small talk in the car. Malaysians enjoy light conversation. Hari ni jam tak? Hari ni jam tak? Is there traffic today? Cuaca panas ya hari ni. Cuaca panas ya hari ni. It's hot today. Abang kerja lama dah? Abang kerja lama dah? Have you worked long? Friendly, relaxed, easy. Section 4. Talking about payment. Before arriving, you may ask about payment. Bayar tunai, boleh? Bayar tunai, boleh? Can I pay cash? Saya bayar guna kad. Saya bayar guna kad. I will pay using card. Perlu bayar tol ke? Perlu bayar tol ke? Do I need to pay toll? Clear pronunciation builds confidence. Section 5. If there is traffic. Sometimes traffic is slow. Kenapa jalan perlahan? Kenapa jalan perlahan? Why is the road slow? Jam teruk ke? Jam teruk ke? Is the traffic bad? Tak apa, saya tak cepat. Tak. Apa saya tak cepat. It's okay, I'm not in a hurry. Stay polite, stay calm. Section 6. Arriving at your destination. When you reach your location, berhenti sini boleh. Berhenti sini boleh. You can stop here. Berapa semua? Berapa semua? How much is everything? Terima kasih banyak. Terima kasih banyak. Thank you very much. Warm, respectful, Malaysian. Section 7. Ending the ride politely before leaving the car. Hati-hati ya, abang. Hati. Hati. Ya, abang. Drive safely. Semoga murah rezeki. Semoga murah rezeki. May you have good fortune. Jumpa lagi. Jumpa lagi. See you again.